Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Safari can't open the page because your iPhone is not connected to the internet. For example, if you open the Safari and you see this kind of error on your iPhone iOS 26 while you open any page, and if you want to fix that, though how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to close the page, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have to turn it off again. So here you have to make sure that your Wi-Fi is working properly, and you can also restart your Wi-Fi router. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and in settings you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of for transfer or reset iPhone, and you have to click on that. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. So after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now you have to look for the Safari app, and you have to click on apps, and you have to look for the Safari app. And here you have to make sure that that the Safari app is working well and do not have any option and problem, and you can simply click on that, and you have to make sure that you have turned on that search engine option, and you have selected the Google option. And moreover, you can also look for the other settings. If any settings are not working well, then you can simply search for that. Moreover, you can simply select close tabs option as manually, and after that you can also turn on the prevent cross-site tracking. So here you can simply check for that. Moreover, you can simply turn this toggle off or not secure connection warning. So here you can simply find all these settings, and after this setting you can simply open the Safari and enjoy your browsing. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.